Audience at KCON LA 2023 gave Rain a black ocean. Upon learning that Rain would perform at KCON LA 2023 on August 20th, international fans coordinated to create a black ocean during the singer performance. As observed by the audience, when Rain performed, many turned off their light sticks. Audience also refrained from cheering or singing along. After the announcement on July 4th that 4 members of Cypher left the group, the public consistently criticized Rain's management of his company. Groups trained by Rain all ended up with a similar fate, while he focuses on his solo career.